In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get designer look-alike clothes on SHEIN. Whether you're on the hunt for high-end fashion looks without the price tag or simply exploring new styles, this guide is for you. Let's dive in and see how you can elevate your wardrobe with just a few simple steps. To start with, head over to SHEIN's website. This is your primary destination for a vast selection of fashion choices. Once on the homepage, you'll see a search box prominently displayed. This is your key tool for discovering those sought-after designer-inspired pieces. Here's a tip. Consider searching for SHEIN X designer drops. These collections occasionally feature collaborations or items heavily inspired by popular designer brands. Scrolling through these search results can often lead you to some hidden gems that echo the essence of luxury fashion. Keep in mind that SHEIN updates its inventory regularly, so it's worth checking in to spot new items that align with your style aspirations. Now, if you have a specific designer style in mind that you admire, harness the power of keywords. Think about an iconic item or style from your favorite designer brand. Use descriptive terms or features associated with that brand, whether it's a particular cut, fabric, or motif. For instance, if you're inspired by a signature style like a tweed jacket or pleated leather skirt, use those phrases in your search. This approach will help narrow down your options, giving you a higher chance of finding something that closely matches the designer look. But that's not the only tool at your disposal. If you're using the SHEIN app on your mobile device, take advantage of the photo search feature. Let's say you've spotted a designer outfit online or in a magazine. All you need to do is take a screenshot of that specific item, then open the SHEIN app and look for the camera icon right in the search box. By uploading your screenshot, the app will search through its inventory to find items that visually match your image. It's a fantastic feature that bridges the gap between what you envision and what you can find. While doing all this, remember to explore and follow your favorite stores within SHEIN. Each store often carries a unique style that can help you consistently find pieces that match your aesthetic, plus it keeps you updated on any sales or new arrivals. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to getting designer look-alike clothes on SHEIN. With these strategies, you're now equipped to transform your wardrobe and express your style without the exorbitant price tag. So go ahead, explore, and enjoy building a sophisticated closet that reflects your taste. Thanks for tuning in and happy shopping.